We've updated the photo page. Photos are a key part of any package, so we spent a lot of time updating the photo tile. I'll add the tile by opening Custom Reports and dragging the Property Photo tile to the Included Reports section. The page opens in preview mode. To change the contents of the page, click the Edit Page button. You can add up to 6 pages. To select the layout for each page, just click the drop-down and select a layout. To add photos, click one of the numbers on the page and select any available photo from the Photo Manager. You can use the Upload button to add more photos as well. Once a photo is on the page, you can click it to make adjustments. Use the Resize button to zoom in on a specific section of the photo and drag the photo to center on what you want the client to see. To add a new page, click the drop-down and click Add New Page. You can add up to 6 pages, picking a layout for each one. If you want to remove a page, click the drop-down and click the X next to the page you want to remove. To save your updates, click the Save button and you'll see your photo page in your package.